Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope everyone is well. Business landline system alternative and what they offer in 2023. The best business landline service provide excellent call quality, affordable equipment fee, and extensive call handling feature, encoding a call, forwarding a call, waiting call, caller ID, and three-way calling. Still modern modern offers communications are clear, moving towards voice over internet protocol calling, which this always has this feature and more. In this card we provide an overview and traditional landline phone system and their benefits, feature and popular provide top business phone land service provider. As technology become more advanced, had landline phone have offered more capability that help business handle calls more efficient. Some sub features are extra dealing telecommunication companies providing business landline phone service typical charge monthly per phone line. Refer to the tabs below to learn the fees and feature provided by landline phone system provider. It yet doesn't publish it rates for business landline service, but the provider does provide unlimited local and national with calling. Will this is a future readings available with most VoIP service providers. It's very useful for this in need of landline service consistent reliability.